गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 9 सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल। देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ नाउन्स, सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल। दो तरह के नाउन होते हैं, सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल। एनी नाउन स्टैंडिंग फॉर वन पर्सन, एनिमल, प्लेस और थिंग इज कॉल्ड अ सिंगुलर नाउन. Any noun that stand for more than one person, animal, place or thing is called a plural noun. Look at these pictures. Read the text below each picture. A bat, two bats, many bats. A tomato, two tomatoes, many tomatoes. A watch, two watches, many watches. A and N means one. The words bat, tomato and watch show one in number. These words singular noun. The words bats, tomatoes and watches show more than one in number. These words shows plural noun. Rules for forming plurals. There are various rules to change singular nouns to plural nouns. We will now learn some of these rules. Mostly, s is added to singular nouns to make them plural. Singular and plural. Fan, fans. Book, books. Girl, girls. Boat, boats. Room, rooms. Elephant, elephants. Desk, desks. Chair, chairs. Lake, lakes. River, house, houses. Tree, trees. Spoon, spoons. Table, tables. Es is added to singular nouns which end in s, double s, sh, ch and x to make them plural. Singular and plural. Bus, buses. Batch, batches. Church, churches. Class, classes. Watch, watches. Brush, brushes. Loss, losses. Box, boxes. Match, matches. Tax, taxes. Dish, dishes. Glass, glasses. Branch, branches. Dish, dishes. Es is added to singular nouns which end in o to make them plural. For example, singular and plural. Tomato, tomatoes. Hero, heroes. Potato, potatoes. Mango, mangoes. Echo, echos. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Nouns that end in f or fe generally form their plural by changing f or fe to ves. For example, singular and plural. Life, lives. Wife, wives. Leaf, leaves. Self, selves. Self, shelves. Half, halves. Wolf, wolves. Scarf, scarves. Knife, knives. Calf, calves. Exemptions: roofs, giraffe, chief, beliefs, proof, etc. इनमें आपको VES ऐड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, राइट। Nouns ending in y form their plural by changing y to ies. Singular and plural. City, cities. Army, armies. Lady, ladies. Baby, babies. Story, stories. Bunny, bunnies. Family, families. Candy, candies. Country, countries. Lily, lilies. Fly, flies. Fairy, fairies. Copy, copies. Diary, diaries. Exemptions: if the final y comes just after a vowel, the adding s to the singular. For example, singular and plural: toy or toys, key, keys, play, plays, essay, essays, day, days, way, ways, donkey, donkeys, valet, valleys, tray, trays, ray, rays. Some nouns do not follow any of the rules given above. So, we have to keep in mind their singular and plural forms. There are also called irregular nouns. Singular and plural nouns: man, men, woman, women, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, goose, geese, child, children, mouse, mice, ox, oxen. Plural forms of compound nouns. Singular and plural: chairman, chairman, washerman, washerman, maidservant, maidservants, classfellow, classfellows, stepmother, stepmothers, son-in-law, sons-in-law, father-in-law, fathers-in-law, watchman, watchman. Some nouns remain same in singular and plural form. Singular and plural: hare, hare, ship, ship, deer, deer. Nouns used after numerals never change. For example, pair, pair, dozen, dozen, score, score, thousand, thousand, hundred, hundred. Some nouns are used in plural only. People, people, cattle, cattle, gentry, gentry, clothes, clothes, trousers, trousers, shoes, shoes, scissors, scissors, spectacles, spectacles. Some nouns are used in singular only. Singular and plural: advice, advice, news, news, furniture, furniture, innings, innings, jewelry, jewelry, information, information. Thank you.